The state of Texas has passed what some are calling the most restrictive abortion law in the United States. It makes abortion illegal as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy. It comes as the U.S. Supreme Court announces it will consider another abortion case. Our senior Washington editor, Lindsay Duncombe, joins us now with more on this. So, Lindsay, give us a little more detail, if you would, about this Texas law to start.
Well, what it would do is make abortion illegal at the time a fetal heartbeat can be detected, which is around 6 weeks into a pregnancy. And abortion providers say that there are many times in a pregnancy that women don't even know that they're pregnant at 6 weeks. So this law, which is similar to other so-called heartbeat laws that have been passed in various states across the country, according to those providers, is essentially a ban on abortion. And certainly if you look at the tone and the excitement in the way the governor participated in the ceremony signing the bill, that's sort of the sentiment behind it. Here's what it looked like.
Our Creator endowed us with the right to life, and yet millions of children lose their right to life every year because of abortion. In Texas, we work to save those lives.
There is a difference in the Texas law as compared to the other heartbeat laws or so-called heartbeat laws passed by other American states. That is that it is possible for someone to sue in civil court a person or a group of people who have aided a woman who gets an abortion. So not the pregnant person themselves, but those people, family members who may have helped facilitate an abortion, and they could face a $10,000 fine as a result. And this is a legal maneuver that could complicate whether or not this bill gets held up in court, because what we've seen with the other heartbeat legislation is that they're struck down by federal courts as being against the Constitution, and this additional provision about the civil lawsuits could make that more difficult to do.
And Lindsay, this could all end up in the U.S. Supreme Court?
Certainly the issue of abortion and access to abortion is expected to play out in the U.S. Supreme Court in the next year. This law is one of a series of these heartbeat laws that are designed by anti-abortion activists to get to the highest court, to force the highest court to make a decision, eroding or potentially even diminishing the power of Roe versus Wade, which is the 1973 law that made abortion legal in this country. And that's what we're expecting to see in the next term of the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court has said it will hear a Mississippi case, an abortion ban that would take place after 15 weeks into pregnancy. That case will be heard by the Supreme Court in the next session, in the fall, a decision likely in the spring. And really, this is being watched very carefully by both sides, because we have seen the court shift to the right, very conservative court, and the future of access to abortion could be determined by these cases.
CBC's senior Washington editor, Lindsay Duncombe, thank you.